The Bitcoin price is retesting right now the support line of our bearish cup and handle pattern as we see it here. And now the question is, will we break this significant level and go lower, or will we see a relief rally back to the upside and potentially go here to $22,000? Today in this episode we definitely have to talk about this. There's a lot of content and also still something going on BYBIT. We definitely have to talk about this, and if you think that's interesting, then you know the drill. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get here directly into today's content. So here, first of all, on the 4-hourly chart, we still are in this consolidation phase where we have here a higher high, here a lower high, here again a lower high, but here we have a higher, here we have a low, here a higher low, again a higher low, higher low, higher low. So which means that we are still trapped in this consolidation in this consolidation area where the price did not do anything for the last couple of days here. So if we go to this, so then we see here for the last almost 2 weeks the Bitcoin price went more or less nowhere and was stuck in this consolidation area. So but there are of course some patterns evolving that might point to a direction where the Bitcoin price might be heading here in the imminent short to mid-term. So and here on the daily chart we get one idea where the price could be going, and that is still to the downside with this bearish cup and handle pattern. And by in 4 days we will actually know where the Bitcoin price is going based on this pattern, if we go here to the downside or if we see a massive relief rally here to the upside, because we are running into this apex from this downward sloping resistance line which comes from the all-time high and the support line of that bearish cup and handle pattern. So when we're going here to the weekly chart, so here we are still about to break out of this bigger falling wedge here, and we still have a bullish divergence on this weekly chart. So but it could be that the bears are breaking or leave that price within that falling wedge pattern here, and we still have to wait a week or two before we finally see a breakout, if we see one, and not drop here all the way down to the bottom of this pattern. So but for now we still have this bearish divergence, this bullish divergence that should normally lead to a massive breakout here on the weekly chart. And don't forget guys, the target would be all the way up here at the all-time high if we see a breakout here, but this is more long term. So when we go here in the daily chart where we have a more short to midterm outlook and a potential trade that we can do here, so then we see here that the Bitcoin price has this consolidation phase that I was pointing out in the beginning. So within this descending triangle, so where we create lower highs along the way and higher lows. So but here we will come soon to a breakout. So and what could be a potential scenario here, when we look especially at the textbook explanation, if we have a descending triangle we should normally break down. So and if we would break down, the technical target of this descending triangle would bring us all the way down to around $11,400. So and that could be then the final capitulation that we are actually waiting for. So and we have seen this in the past. If I scroll here a little bit back, you will see it. So we have seen the exact same thing happening here in 2018, where we had a consolidation phase, exactly what we have right now, and then the final move to the downside where we created this rounding bottom and then went back to the upside and got a retest of this rounding bottom, and then finally went up here. So something similar could be happening right now. If history repeats itself, then we could be in here for quite a ride to the downside, where we then also break all the way down to like $12,000-$14,000, see a rounding bottom, move up here again next year, get here into this consolidation phase, most likely here, kind of like this, and then see a retest, and then finally go up again. So that is a scenario that I'm looking at right now. So, and if you want to potentially trade this short opportunity, guys, then don't forget, in the link below you find $4,380 if you sign up to BYBIT with this specific link and claim you will be able to claim the bonus. And also on BYBIT you still get a $1,000 position absolutely for free if you go to the link below and claim your free $1,000 Ethereum trade position. There's only, I think it's still 14%. Yeah, still 14.24% is only left from that pool. So definitely go to the link below and check this out. So let's get back to Bitcoin. So yeah, so here this consolidation phase is definitely marking some crazy volatility that will come here in the next couple of days. So here the apex is by the end of the month. So, but normally we see a breakdown or a break upwards way earlier than that. So what I don't like here for a bullish case scenario is that we spent already some time here around the support line of this descending triangle, the flat lower trend line. Because that normally means the more often that level gets tested, the more likely it is also to break to the downside. So, and as it is a bearish pattern, it has a 70% chance to break to the downside and a 30% to break to the upside. So, and yeah, of course, that is not what we want to see, but it makes me still happy because it gives us the chance and the opportunity to buy Bitcoin at way lower prices that we might not ever see again once we are out of this bearish downwards trend. Guys, that's it already for today's episode. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and see you then again tomorrow.